Jumping on trends with your YouTube videos is really a great way to improve the chances that your video goes viral, right? Trends are just great to focus on. But how do you spot them? They are inherently tricky to spot, right? I mean, you can't really predict when the next big trend comes up. So you need to observe the space in your niche, keep track of all the news and all that to be the first to recognize if a new trend is coming up. Well, there is a different kind of trend that is much easier to spot, much more dependable, and really my recommendation to focus on, especially if you're starting new. Drum roll, seasonal trends. Hey ChatGPT, give me some example of seasonal trends.
Sure, seasonal trends can vary depending on the time of year. In winter, you might see trends like warm coats and holiday decorations. Spring often brings floral patterns and gardening supplies. Summer trends could include beachwear and travel gear, while autumn trends often feature cozy sweaters and pumpkin-spiced everything.
Well, as you see, ChatGPT knows a lot of seasonal trends, but I bet you are not interested in the common seasonal trends, but some that are specific to your channel. Because if you know about them, then you can prepare your own videos and jump on those trends in time without having to follow the news all the time. But how do you find out which seasonal trends you should prepare for? Well, I created a free tool for you that makes it really easy. Let me show it to you by choosing one channel randomly from my comments. Alright, Elodie. Her channel is about interior design. So I open this free tool now and enter the channel link. By the way, link to this free tool in the description or the pinned comment. So after entering the channel, we find two prompts here. I simply open it in ChatGPT, and with this first prompt, it first makes a list of all the topics that this channel covers. We asked the AI to do this topic list first, so that later it can give us a broader range of seasonal trends that are relevant for this channel. Alright, and next I take the second prompt here, paste it at the bottom of the chat, and now it's giving us the seasonal trends. Of course, since the channel is in French, it's also answering in French. So let me ask it to translate it into English for us. By the way, it doesn't have to be ChatGPT that you use here. You can also use any other LLM, maybe even using Ollama and downloading an open source LLM. So it will be completely free for you then. Alright, let's look through the trends a little bit. Remember, this channel was about interior design. And of course, the holidays is a big one for almost all niches. And for this channel in particular, it tells us that festive decorations are important. I mean, it's interior design, right? So a cozy interior is just the right thing for this time of year. Let's check a few more. Back to school and fall. Reorganizing home, optimizing small spaces. Of course, we want to do our schoolwork, right? So we have to have a good desk with all the supplies. Let's continue a little bit. Spring cleaning, good point. Maybe refreshing the outdoor furnishings. Oh yeah, makes a lot of sense. You really have to try it out for your own channel. Link to the free tool in the description or the pinned comment. You will see, since your channel is on a different topic, you will get different trends. I mean, a cooking channel will be all about food. A movie channel will probably include the Oscars season. I really hope you get good inspiration from that and can prepare your videos in advance so that you can jump on those trends that really spike views on YouTube every year. Alright, subscribe for more free tools like the one you just saw or this one. Cheers, my friends!